Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. So go for your TikTok app, okay, then choose that person's profile whom you want to block. So okay, if I select that person, go for his profile and click on this arrow button here, and you can see here is a block option. So click on it and go for block, and you have successfully blocked that person. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.